Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty and today we'll be reviewing the Killer Beauty SMP Cartridges. These SMP cartridges have been specifically designed for scalp micropigmentation treatments, to treat hair loss or thinning hair on clients and to produce realistic, natural results. So let's take a closer look. The Killer Beauty SMP cartridges are of the highest quality and are fully tested to ensure they meet the highest standards. The cartridges contain precision-soldered razor-sharp needles, which are thinner than others on the market. These thinner needles are perfect for extra precision and accuracy when depositing pigment into the scalp during SMP treatments to replicate the appearance of hair follicles. The cartridges have a push and twist style connection, so they are compatible with a range of SMP and PMU machines, such as the Xyon S from Micropigmentation or any other universal machine. The long taper design of the cartridge and the extra tight soldering of the needle have been designed specifically for SMP treatments. The cartridges are enclosed in a single capsule made from a strong polycarbonate material, which allows the needle to glide effortlessly and prevents general wear and tear. The cartridge is transparent with a cutback style opening, giving a clear view of the needle and complete visibility during treatment. It also allows you to make very slight needle adjustments with confidence. All SMP cartridges are fitted with a secure membrane which ensures that no pigment, blood or fluid can leak through into the grip or cause any damage to the machine. All SMP cartridges come in the configuration of round liner, ranging from 1 round liner to 5 round liner, and needle diameters ranging from 0.18 to 0.35. Cartridges come in boxes of 20, or you can try a sample box which contains various needle sizes and diameters. The sample boxes are a great way to try different SMP cartridges and find the one that suits your technique best. We've received some incredible feedback about these cartridges from leading SMP artists from around the world. So if you want to try the Killer Beauty SMP cartridges, there's a link in the description box below, or if you have tried them already, leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.